Today we're going to talk about Canva's new features and use them to make a very simple ad like this. Bookbub ad, which is 250 by 300. Create a new design. Comments for Kindle covers. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group. So I'm just going to knock this up really quickly just to give you an example of what we can use. So let's get a book cover. Right, so Bookbub ads, you've got fairly small space to work with. Let's give it a background. Okay, and now this is where we get to the interesting things. So normally you have a small set of solid default colors that you can use, but now if you click see all, you've got loads more. That's quite exciting. Also, in the same place, if you go and look at default gradients, there used to be a few. Now there are a lot more. Most exciting, I think, of these are the metallic ones. So you've got like a rose gold one, dark gold, light gold, coppery metal, I don't know, silver, or different silver. Amazing. And we could use those in a minute. So let's find a nice gradient to go behind this. Here we go. And with all gradients, you can click on the sliders and you can change details about the gradients. So if you swap the colors around, the color swaps around in the thing. Actually, I quite like that, but let's go for that. That's probably better. Okay. And then you'll need some sort of text to say 99p for a limited time only. I don't know, this is just a quote I made up. It's the sort of thing people say about my books. So let's do that. And then we'll put a button that says buy now. Now you could find a button in the Elements tab, but we're going to make a button, which will let me show you the next thing. So you can add shapes by going into Elements and looking at shapes, right? And you can change the color of shapes. You can give the shape an outline if you wanted. We don't want to do that. You can change the corner rounding, and you can change the number of sides. So you could make it, yeah, you can change the number of sides. We're going to stick with 4 because we do actually want it to be a button. And then we're going to squish it down a bit. Okay, so we've made a rectangle, which is fine as things go, but you want to make the corners a little bit rounder so that it looks more like a button. There we go. And then let's change the color. Go to our gradients, like that. You go to your gradient button, sorry, your color button, click on the sliders, mess around with your gradient style until you have what you want. There we go. That looks kind of like a button, doesn't it? And then let's add buy now. Actually, let's make the buy button red. I'm going to do this the other way to normal. So buy now. And we're going to click on color, go into the sliders, go to gradient. And there. We don't want it to be pink. We want it to be a lighter shade of red. So let's go to here and just lighten it so it's the same color but lighter. And then we can get rid of the pink. We'll change that to white. There we go. And you've got a very basic Bookbub ad. But what we can do now is also go back to shapes. See all. And you get one of these shapes here. Let's get this one. Now again, with the shapes, you can do the corners. You can change how many points it has, which makes it rather cool. You can make it, as spiky as you like. And you can make it as starry as you like. Right. Let's have that. And again, we go to color. And again, gradients. See all. And now we get to use the exciting gold gradient. Look at that. Wow. And let's tilt it a bit. There we go. Now, this is just how to make a Facebook ad or a Bookbub ad. Facebook ad dimensions are slightly different. They're 1080 by 1080. I think they're square, like an Instagram square. But yeah, use this. You can make a basic ad quite easy. I think the fact that you can change the shapes and you can change the colors and do gradients now in the shapes, that's really cool. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.